In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the sharp keys. The order of the sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. There's a story that will help you memorize this. Fat cows go diving and eat burritos. Once again, fat cows go diving and eat burritos. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. The sharps are always written in that order. The 7 major scales with sharps are as follows. G major has 1 sharp, and that is F sharp. We've gone through how to write the G major scale. We've gone through the circle of fifths to understand that G is at 1 sharp position, and that 1 sharp is F sharp. I will go over some tips that will help you understand key signatures and keys. The first tip for sharps is if you want to know what key you're in, you look at the last sharp. An example, 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. You then will go a half step up and notice that that half step up will give you the key. Let's take one more example. If we know there's 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, we take a look at that last sharp, go a half a step up, and that tells us our key. If we're told the key, such as E major, and we're asked how many sharps, we would then go 1 half step below E, which would be D sharp. Knowing that D sharp is the last sharp in the order of sharps, you then recite the story. Fat cows go diving, or just memorize the order. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Let's try our last example. We're told that we're in the key of F sharp major, and what are the sharps for F sharp major? Now, the best way of remembering this is to memorize that F sharp has 6 sharps. But if you don't know that, you take your key and you go a half step down from F sharp. That half step is an E, and it has to be an E sharp. You go through the order of the sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp. And then you figure out that there are 6 sharps. Staff location of key signatures are described in this example. F sharp would be placed on the 5th line of the treble clef and observe the 4th line of the bass clef. It's important to know the orders of the sharps when it's placed on the staff. The pattern that you would want to follow is as follows: down 1, up 1, down 2, up 1, down 1. The same follows in the bass clef: down 1, up 1, down 2, up 1, down. You want to maintain all the sharps just like the flats in the staff.